Hello friends and Assalamualaikum. Welcome to my channel New IB All Designing Developer. Like in the previous videos, we have learned about many things using Python in artificial intelligence, and I hope you enjoy that all stuff which we are doing. So today we are also doing the project using Python, but we will be using artificial intelligence work in today's video as well, so we can make it more good looking. So today I will be telling you how to build an amazing duplicate file remover and what are the things included in this project. So I will be telling you how to just build this duplicate file remover. So building this duplicate file remover, it will be doing many of the different things here. Means it will be deleting your all the files which you are having same. Means with the same name you are having files or with the same format you are having file, it will be deleting that all files. You will be not getting the file with the same name obviously because computer does not have that capability to have same file on the same location. So you will be getting same format file. So your means this duplicate file remover will be removing all the files which are with the same format here. So this is really amazing project here. Like if you want to delete many of the files of the same format and one should be empty for you, so you can just delete that and one will be empty for you only. So just this video will be really helpful, and I hope you'll be understanding how to build this amazing duplicate file remover from start, and I hope you'll be understanding, enjoying this video. So remember to see this video from start if you want to learn how to build this duplicate file remover using Python in artificial intelligence. And if you want to see more videos like that, so remember to hit a like to this video, and if you are new on this channel, hit the subscribe button. After subscribing, hit notification bell as well, so more people can learn about these things and they can see my all the coming up videos as well. And remember to share this video so more people can learn and they can take benefit of these amazing things. And you can also check my previous Python artificial intelligence videos which I have uploaded. Using artificial intelligence, I have built many of the projects like alarm clock, text recognition bot, tic-tac-toe game, rock paper scissors game. I have also built previously, and you can check that out. And I have also built big projects as well using artificial intelligence, data sciences, machine learning, because like I have built credit card fraud detection, self-driving car, and then many other projects as well. You can also check that out if you want to learn that things. So just now we'll be starting with our today's video of duplicate file remover and seeing how to build this amazing duplicate file remover using Python in artificial intelligence from start to end. So just like I've told you, we'll be just working with duplicate file remover. So now just we'll be starting with our video and seeing what is this duplicate file remover and how we'll be working in this video with that. So for working with file remover, you have to open VS Code. And like previously on when we were working with Python in artificial intelligence, so we were making our new file. So just now I will be making again a new file here, and I will be giving it the different name. So we are working with duplicate file remover. So here I will be writing with the name as duplicate, saving it on desktop. Then you can write any other name as well here you want to write, but remember to write .py in the end, which I've telling you in the previous videos as well. So I will be writing .py and saving it on desktop. You can see here I've saved my file. Now after saving your file, you will be needing some of the codes which you have to download, means some of the libraries which you are not having in your Python. So you have to download it through your terminal. So you can move to terminal and write here pip install, and you can write here #lib. So this is our library from which we will be working. So you have to install this library, and after installing this library, here you have to install this OS as well. I have installed these both things, so I will be not needing that, but you will be install this if you are using old version of Python or if you are using Python for the first time. So remember to install that. So now here we have to start the codes. So now we have to import #lib, which I have told you to download from pip. Then I will be importing here OS. Now you have to just return all the things here. So I will be writing return the hash string of the given. Then I will be writing file name. Then here you have to just move down right here hash file, and after writing hash file, here I'll be writing file name. Then you have to just move down right here for large. So here I will be writing, then I will be writing files right here if we read. Then here you have to write it all together. It can lead to memory. Then I will be writing overflow, comma. Then here I will be writing so we take a. Then right here block size. Here you have to now just write block size here like this is equals to 65536. Then here you have to just move down right here. Hasher is equals to #lib. Then here I will be writing .md5. Here you have to just move down right here with open. Then you have to now just write here file name, write comma rb. So here I will be writing this. Then I will be writing s5. Then right here reads, and I will be writing the particular So here I will be writing right here block size from file. So here you have to move down, right here buff is equals to file dot read. Then I will be writing block size. Here you have to move down, right here while length. Then here I will be writing buff like this. Here you have to now just move forward, and then here I will be now writing like this. So here I will be moving down after this, right here hasher dot. Then I will be writing update. Here I will be now writing buff like this. Then I will be writing buff is equals to file dot. Then I'll be writing read, and here you have to write block size like this. Then you have to now just write a tag here. This should be like return hasher dot. Then I'll be writing hex digest. Then you have to move down after this. Right here if name right here is equals to. Then I will be writing here main. Make this underscore as well. Move down right here dictionary. So here I will be now writing here dictionary to store the hash and file name. So here I will be writing. Then right here hash map is equals to right here list to store deleted files. Then right here deleted files is equals to, and write like this. Now when you've written this all stuff, here you have to move in this tag, and after moving down here you have to now just write file list is equals to, then you have to write here f for, then I will be now just writing f in os dot list there. So here I will be now writing, then make this, here you have to now write if os dot path dot is file, right here f, then you have to now write for f in file list, and here I will be now just writing key is equals to hash file, and here I will be now just writing f. So here you have to move down, right here if key, then I'll be writing already exists, and then here you have to just write it deletes the file. Then you have to just move down after this, right here if key in, then I will be writing hash map dot keys, and here you have to now just make deleted files here like this, and right here append f, then you have to just move down, right here os dot remove f, then right here else, in else I'll be writing hash map right here key. So here after writing key is equals to f you have to write, and after writing f here I will be now writing if len, and then right here deleted files, then I will be now just writing here 0, then you have to write here print and write deleted files like this. Then you have to just move down, right here for I in, then I will be writing deleted files, right here print I, and then when you've written this, here I will be now just writing else, right here print, write no duplicate, then I will be writing files found. Then you have to save it here. You can see we have just written all this thing like this. Now when you've written these all stuff, here I will be now just doing one thing, like here I will be moving at the top. So here I will be now moving, right here hash file as it is. So if I just move here, so you have to now check for hash file. So you can see we have just now written. So the mistake I was just doing that this f was small here, and here we have to make this f capital. So remember to do that. Now here you have to just do one thing. You have to make this file, means duplicate file. We have just save it on desktop. If I show you, so I will be moving to my desktop. You can see here is our hash. Okay, so our file name was like duplicate.py. So we have to make this file in one folder. So when we will be getting our all the duplicate files, so we can delete it. So here I will be now giving it the folder like duplicate file remover, and then I will be dragging dropping my Python file in this folder. So drag drop here. Now we have done that. So we are now getting, so I will be now closing this, opening my VS Code again, because now I have saved it on folder. So I will be moving to my folder here. I'll be pressing open folder. This is duplicate file remover folder. Here I've opened, and this is my file. I have written all these codes here, just I have shown you. So when you've written all this stuff, you have to press Ctrl V here, and now you have to check that our duplicate file remover means file in which we have written these codes are working or not. So for checking this, you have to move to your folder here, and after moving to your file this was the folder which we have created. So here this is our file in which we have written our all the codes. You can see these are the codes which we have written. Now when you've written here, I will be making same format file to check it is deleting my files or not. So I will be giving it the name as like 1.txt. It is the txt format file. Then I will be writing 2, and like this I will be creating many of the files. You can see like this I've created 3. Then I will be making again and writing 4. So like this I've created many files with the same name, but I've given different names. Format is same of every file. So it will be now removing all the 3 files and putting only one file, means this one, because I've created first time this file here. So now when you've written this, so here I will be now running this duplicate one. So for running, you have to move to cmd, means your command prompt. So run this from command prompt. So our file was on desktop, so I'll be writing cd desktop. So our file was on desktop, and then when we have saved on desktop, so we have just make this in one folder of duplicate file remover folder. So I will be now giving it the name as cd duplicate file remover, because I've saved in this folder here. So I'll be writing this. Now we have just saved in this. I've just written the path of duplicate file remover. Here you have to now just write your file name after this, in which you have written your code. So here I'll be writing duplicate.py. You can see now it has automatically deleted all the 3 files which we were getting here. It has also given the name of the file which is deleted by this duplicate file remover. You can see 2.txt has been deleted, 3.txt has been deleted, and 4.txt has been also deleted. You can see here. So you can see, and from here also, from this folder, if I just refresh it, so you will be seeing that from here also it has removed all the files and only getting this 1.txt file. If I just make my files again, so you will be getting again the same thing here. I will be not giving any name here. It will be automatically regenerating its own name. You can see like I'm getting my files again. Here if I run this duplicate.py file again here, so it will be removing all the codes again. Like press enter, you can see it has deleted new text document 2.txt, new text document 3.txt, new text document which we have created. Only 1.txt file is here, and all the duplicate file has been removed, or you can say delete from here. So like this we can just build this project of duplicate file remover. I hope you understand how we have built this project of duplicate file remover. These are the codes of duplicate file remover which we have written in start. This was not really big project, but this was really important project, because I want to show you that how we can just delete our duplicate files which we are having, or if you want to remove it by your own self, you can do that, but it takes many lot of time if you are having so much files. Because if you delete it by selecting or by just deleting one by one, so it will be taking too much time. You can use this python duplicate file remover to delete your all duplicate files which you are having, and it will be also saying that no duplicates file found. If you just run it again here, so it will be showing this command. So if I run again duplicate.py, so you can see it is saying no duplicate file were found, because I've deleted all these files. Only one file is remaining of .txt. So like this we can just build our project of duplicate file remover. I hope you understand this small project of duplicate file remover, and I hope you understand how to work with our duplicate files when we want to remove that all stuff. So if you have understand this video, so remember to hit a like, and if you're new on this channel, hit the subscribe button. After subscribing, hit notification bell as well, because I'll be uploading more videos like that, and I hope you'll be enjoying that videos. So remember to check that out as well. I'll be uploading more videos like that, and also share this video if you have understand this, and more people can learn about these amazing things. Because of that, share this. You can also check my previous python artificial intelligence video which I have uploaded. Like I've built text recognition bot, alarm clock, tic-tac-toe game. Then I've also built many big projects as well, like self-driving car. Then I've also built credit card fraud detection using python in machine learning, data sciences, and artificial intelligence as well. So just I'll be meeting you with more amazing things using python in artificial intelligence. So for today, goodbye.